Hey guys, this is Brad from Cajun Homestead and Beekeeping. Just want to let y'all see my pollen patty mix that I made. I just used a little bit of dry pollen mix from Man Lake, some oil, about a half cup. I used some spearmint, eucalyptus scent, dry sugar, and honey. I didn't use any water or sugar water. I just used pure honey that I had left over. Some of it was crystallized, but a lot of it was liquid. But I mixed it and got a pretty good consistency out of it. I mean, it's like a real thick peanut butter. I mean, it won't knock off, won't drip in the frames. And the bees are really loving it. Every hive I put it on so far, they're just surrounding it and eating it up. I mean, I just put this on here a minute ago. Got a couple of hives I left open just to show you guys. I mean, I think they're really liking it. The main reason I put the spearmint and the eucalyptus in there, which was just like 2 or 3 drops out of each bottle. One guy told me on YouTube that it deterred hive beetles. It's kind of like the peppermint. I didn't have anything to try for that today, but I will try that because we have a lot of hive beetles. I mean, they seem like they like it. So I'm gonna check back in about 2 days, see how they're doing with the patties. I mean, this box right here, that's a new box that I just put on top. So I mean, they've come from the bottom all the way up to the top in just a couple of minutes, and they're surrounding it. So I'm really liking what I see. And here's a Man Lake patty that I had left. Just a small piece. Well, it's been in here for, let's say, a week. I need to back up. These want to come out after me. Okay, just want to show you guys that. And we'll check back on them in 2 or 3 days and see how they've eaten it up. All right, Cajun Beekeeping, Homestead out.